Just kissed to death. Should you fear that big beak? I think so. Oh, your watch is gonna... Come here, Tess. This is our African Cape, Tesla. And, oh, Nassie just flew in. Hi, Nassie. Hi, what you doing, Nassie? How are you? And Tesla is just such a great bird. We were commenting that the capes, they don't bite much. They seem to really enjoy people. My lovebird is bullying either me or Tesla or both of us. What's he doing? They're soft. And you can always earn money by renting them out as a dentist. No! Give me my teeth back. What are you doing? What are you doing? No! No! Oh my God, he's gonna pull my teeth out. Oh look, are you gonna go get Nassie? No, not my teeth, sweetie. I'll give you pets, but I want to keep my teeth. And welcome to my Parrot Bliss. I'm Kaylin, the author of the Parrot Bliss Bond. And this morning we're taking a few minutes. I already gave out Birdie breakfast, so we're taking a few minutes to relax before all of the stuff for the day starts. Now I'm being groomed. So, you know, African Capes, they're awesome. And there's someone on YouTube, someone named Steve, who keeps responding to my Cape videos saying, they're the best. It's so true. It's so true. And you could see Tesla here as a boy because he's losing that coral forehead. You see his chapeau? And see how it's getting... Yeah, he's disappearing. There's Macy, and hers is nice and pronounced. Macy is hanging out also, grooming herself. And Quantum is over on the perch singing and having fun. So there's a little Friday, calm, enjoyable, relaxing dentistry Parrot Bliss. And you're going to lose your watch. Until next time.